Hello guys, this is Lina from VTech Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to discuss about factorization by grouping terms. So now observe the expression ax plus bx plus ay plus by. So here we can't use the method of common factor as we don't have a common factor to all these terms. But we observe that the first two terms have the common factor x and the last two terms have the common factor y. So by taking x as a common factor from the first two terms, we can write this as x into a plus b, and coming over to the last two terms, if we take y as a common factor, we get here y into a plus b. Now again, let us take the group a plus b as a common factor. So we get here a plus b into x plus y. So this expression can be factorized by another way. So let us write the given expression as ax plus ay plus bx plus by. So from the first two terms, we observe that a is a common factor and we get here a into x plus y, and by taking b as a common factor over here, we get plus b into x plus y. Again, let us take the group x plus y as a common factor, then we get here x plus y into a plus b. And now make a note that the factors are the same except the order. Now let me try to explain this concept with the help of an example over here. So we have here the algebraic expression. So here we observe that there is no common factor to all the terms. So we use here the factorization by grouping terms. So from the first two terms, we observe that x square is a common factor. So we get here x square into x plus 2. And by taking 5 as a common factor from the last two terms, we get plus 5 into x plus 2. Now again, take the group x plus 2 as a common factor, then we get x plus 2 into x square plus 5. So these two are the factors of the given algebraic expression. Now let us solve the another example. Here we have p square q minus pr square minus pq plus r square. So from the first and third term, we can take pq as a common factor, then we get here pq into p minus 1. And then from the remaining term, if we take r square as a common factor, then we get minus r square into p minus 1. Then again, by taking p minus 1 as a common factor, we get p minus 1 into pq minus r square. So the factors of the expression are p minus 1 and pq minus r square. So this was a basic introduction on factorization by grouping the terms. Hope you understood the concept. In our next videos, we are going to learn about factorization using identities. So stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.